Now, we all know that the great British weather can be unpredictable. But have you ever thought about the damage it might have done to your car? It's important to give your vehicle regular health checks. And that's not just for safety reasons. Checks could also help you to save some money too. So let's run through some of the basics. First up, check your tires. Look for signs of damage caused by things like potholes and debris. And test tire pressure. Low tire pressure not only shortens the life of the tire, but also means there is more rolling distance with the road, leading to higher fuel consumption and more frequent trips to the petrol station. Measure the tread depth too to stay safe and within legal limits. Your tyres should all have a tread of 1.6mm or above. Now the 20p test is a simple way to check this. Just insert a 20p piece into your tread, and if the tyre comes above the outer band of the coin, then it's above the legal limit. Next up, assess the undercarriage for salt corrosion as well, as this can lead to expensive repair work. Haven't driven in a while? Don't forget to go under the bonnet. Look out for insect or animal nests, as these can affect performance and cause costly damage. Also, be sure to check engine oil. If unused for a while, oil can drip down to the bottom of the drain pan, so the cylinders are usually dry. To fog the engine, you should remove the spark plug wire and spark plug. To spark the cylinder, spray the spark plug oil in each of the cylinders. This should completely lubricate the upper combustion chamber, and then you're ready to go. One handy reminder to keep on top of your car health is flour. Before driving, always check fuel, lights, oil, water, electrics and rubber. It's that simple. Now, if you've got a great car health tip, share it on social media with us and tag them below @Hitachi_Finance. Thanks for watching.